Oh my God. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the factory halogen bulbs on your Chrysler 300 with some brand new LEDs. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So these are the bulbs that we're going to be installing. They were sent to me by a company called Bevinsee. These are their V45 series and they're 6000K. So they're going to give you a cool white light. These are going to be brighter than your OEM bulbs. Now, aside from giving you a better look, they're also going to project further out and a broader beam of light. So these are going to be a lot safer to use and you're going to look better doing it. Now, aside from sending me this set, Bevinsee also sent me an extra set that I will be giving away in an upcoming subscriber giveaway. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on that. I'll be giving away this in addition to some other products as well. In addition to the giveaway, Bevinsee also set us up with an 11% discount code that's good store-wide on their website. So after you watch this video, head over there and check out their products and use the code 300RSNS. I'll also have it linked in the description so you guys can check that out. These are a quality bulb with built-in fans to keep them cool. They're a direct plug-in, so you don't have to worry about any hard wiring or anything like that. So let's go ahead and jump into the install. Alright, so for the driver's side headlight, I'm actually going to need to uninstall my cold air intake to gain access to the bulb. So let's go ahead and get this off of here, and then we'll install it. Like that. Okay. There you go. Alright guys, so now that we have the cold air intake out of the way, we're ready to go ahead and uninstall the factory halogen bulb. And it's really a simple process. This cover right here, you just need to twist it off like so. And then you're just going to pull it. So now that the cover is off, we have access to the bulb itself. As you can see, it's right here. And what we're going to do is just simply twist it and then pull. And this is your factory bulb. Now, to uninstall it, we just press down on this clip, pull it, and we have it out. Alright, so now we're ready to go ahead and install our LED bulb. So all we're going to do is simply plug it in. So now that we have it plugged in, we're just going to go ahead and insert it where the original bulb was. And we want to make sure that when we turn it, that the LEDs right here are at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. So we want them basically forward like this. So when you insert this, you're going to line up the tabs with the slots, and you're just going to twist it in a clockwise direction, pushing in on it to make sure that it's seated firmly. And as you can see, we have it in there now. So once it's installed, this is what it's going to look like. You can just tuck the wires in there, and then we just need to reinsert the cover, and we're finished. That locks into place. Now we're done. We're just going to go ahead and turn it on to test it and make sure that it works. And as you can see, it works. Shining nice and bright. And you can compare it against the OEM bulb here. You can see the difference really clearly there. Still have the OEM bulb here. So this is definitely an upgrade worth doing. It's really simple to do and it looks awesome. So now let's go ahead and get the passenger side installed. Alright, so for the passenger side, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover just like we did on the driver's side. And you just twist it. It is a little tight in there, so you kind of have to finagle it around a little bit to get it out. But once you do, you gain access to the OEM light, which is right in here. And again, we're just going to twist it Here's the OEM bulb. There's the plug, and to disconnect, again, you're just going to press down on this tab here and pull the bulb out. And now we have the plug exposed. Hopefully you should be able to see it there. One side does have the positive and the other side has the negative. So this is the side that's going to face up and line up with the clip on the plug. So you have this clip on the top right here. Just going to line that up. It's clipped in nice and securely. You can see that the tab there is inside the clip. Now we're ready to go ahead and insert the LED bulb. Alright, so now that we have the bulb installed securely, we're just going to go ahead and tuck the wires in, reinstall our cover, test it out, and then we're going to get some nighttime footage and show you guys how it looks on the road. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and test it out. Looks good. Now with both of them installed, you can see the difference from OEM really clearly. Now the headlights match the fog lights, the DRLs, and the parking lights pretty much exactly. Looks really good. It's a lot brighter. Those are the bright lights right there. These are the normal lights. So you get a really good view of the road. As you can see, no trouble seeing anything. It's a clear view. So yeah. Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. Don't forget to use the code 300RSNS on Bevinsee's website, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.